again. Today I'm going to make a chicken dish called spicy Oriental chicken. I created this dish when I was still in school. I was a teenager. I cooked it several times and my family liked it so much, and it is a feature in all my dad's birthday dinner. Spicy Oriental chicken. But the name can be a bit misleading because it's not that spicy, but it's got a bit of chili. Hi, I'm Nyonyarecipe. Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey. So I'm now in the UK and I'm going back to all my old recipes and recreating them to share with you in YouTube. So don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be informed of all the videos that I make, and it will also motivate me to make more videos. So let's go and see what it takes to make this spicy Oriental chicken. It's so lovely. You will need 500 grams of boneless and skinless chicken thighs. You'll need 2 shallots, about 50 grams or so, 4 cloves of garlic, which is about 15 grams or so, 2 red chilies, about 20 to 30 grams. Also preserved tauchiong or preserved soybean, 1 tablespoon plus 1 tablespoon of the juice, 3 cm knob of ginger, which is about 30 grams. So we chop the shallots, chop the garlic as well, chop the ginger too. Now you cut and chop your chilies. You mince or pound the preserved soybeans, which is about 1 tablespoon. So this is my easy way of doing it. Just press it with your knife and it should be mashed. So you don't have to go and get another like lesung or whatever, get the mortar and pestle and then you got to wash it and all those stuff. So this is the easy one. You cut the chicken into cubes, serving size, maybe about 2 cm by 2 cm. We season the chicken with 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper powder. Marinate it for about at least half an hour. Okay, we're going to cook the chicken now, so I'll just put 2 tablespoons or 1.5 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, we add in all the ingredients that we've chopped. The shallots, the garlic, the ginger, and then the chilies as well. So now you add in the tauchiong, the preserved soy, when the ingredients that you fry are now fragrant, smells nice. Yeah, and then you add this in and you stir. Now you can smell the smell of the soya bean. You add in the chicken. And then you toss it around. And you stir until the chicken changes color. Then you add in the soybean juice. Then you add about 300 ml of water to the chicken. I'll add 250. And you bring it to the boil. Adding 2 tablespoons of Xiaoxing cooking wine or any cooking wine that you have. Give it a stir. And then we'll simmer it for about 10 to 15 minutes, about 15 minutes. Now the 15 minutes is up, it should be cooked. So I suggest you taste it and then you add some sugar or salt according to your own taste. It's a bit salty, it should be a bit salty. So I put about half a teaspoon of sugar and we'll see how it goes. So now the dish is okay, we add a shake of pepper. So now it looks like it's finally done to my taste. So I'm going to thicken it up with some corn flour slurry to make it thicken a bit. I think I add a little bit more. It's about 1 to 2 teaspoons of corn flour. We add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. You might not use all. Just use to the consistency that you like. So now I'll add in the chopped spring onions, and if you have, you can add Chinese celery. Not Chinese parsley, but Chinese celery, or we call it kim chai. And it tastes better with the vegetables in there. So we're done now, and then we plate up. Well, I've just finished cooking this, so I'm going to have this for dinner. So I'm going to try now. I'm eating it with rice and a stir fry. It's a bit salty, which is what it should be, and a bit sweet. And it's got a very slight hint of chili, which is okay, but if you want more chili, you can add more. And the succulent chicken thighs is actually quite tasty. Not that hard because we simmer it for like about 15 minutes or so, yeah. So it goes well with rice. So this is my dinner. I'm so happy. So there you go, spicy Oriental chicken. With that, I hope you enjoy cooking this chicken dish. Go and try. It's actually quite simple and the ingredients are quite easy to get. So until the next time, until the next recipe, I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey. And please don't forget to share if you like my video. So in the meantime, please click like and subscribe so that you'll be informed of all the videos that I upload. So until the next time, until the next recipe, bye. Thank you for your time. Bye. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.